Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to request a credit card replacement on Atlas. All right, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is, of course, to log into your Atlas account. Now, you can choose to either log into your account on the Atlas website, or you could choose to do so on the Atlas mobile app on your mobile device. Now, once you're logged into your account, you just want to select the credit card account that you want to request a replacement for, and then just choose that from the account dashboard. And once that's done, you're going to click on replace card, and then you're going to select the reason for replacement. And once you've given the reason, you're going to need to review and provide documentations to support the replacement request, such as a police report. If it's for a stolen card, you're gonna need to provide the police report on that. And once the reason and the documentation has been provided, you're just gonna confirm the replacement request and review the replacement details. And once that's done, once you've taken that step, you're gonna receive a new credit card with updated security features. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to request a credit card replacement on Atlas. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll catch you guys in the next.